In today's video, we're exploring the best APK Extractor apps for Android that make it easy to save and manage your app files. Whether you want to back up your apps or share them with friends, these tools have you covered. Let's get started. APK Getter Extractor. APK Getter Extractor is a user-friendly app designed for quickly extracting APK files from installed applications on your Android device. With its simple interface, users can effortlessly browse their applications and select the ones they wish to extract. The app supports batch extraction, allowing you to save multiple APK files simultaneously, which is particularly useful for backing up apps or sharing them with others. Additionally, APK Getter Extractor provides information about each app, such as size and version, enabling users to stay organized while managing their APK files. APK Extractor APK Manager. APK Extractor APK Manager is a versatile tool that combines the functions of extracting APK files and managing them effectively. This app allows users to extract APKs from installed applications and provides options to share, uninstall, or open the extracted files directly. Its intuitive layout makes it easy for users to navigate and find the apps they want to extract. The app also includes features for viewing app permissions and versions, allowing for better insight into each application's details. With its comprehensive toolkit, APK Extractor APK Manager is ideal for users looking for more than just extraction capabilities. Manager APK Extractor. Manager APK Extractor is a powerful yet straightforward app for extracting APK files and managing your applications. This app offers a clean design and efficient performance, allowing users to extract APKs from their installed apps with minimal hassle. Manager also includes features like batch extraction, the ability to sort apps by name or size, and direct sharing options for the extracted APK files. Furthermore, the app supports extracting APKs from system apps as well as user-installed apps, making it a versatile choice for those looking to manage all types of applications on their device. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of APK Getter Extractor, APK Extractor APK Manager, and Manager APK Extractor helps you find the right app for managing your APK files. Let us know in the comments which extractor you like best. Until next time, happy app managing.